Hey RPG fans, welcome to my second video. In this video, I'll be talking how to create a RPG Maker MV plugin. Yeah, there are many results on YouTube, but I found that there's lack of, interest of YouTubers into this topic, so I decided to create a tutorial series. And this tutorial series would include beginner series, intermediate, and then professional, of course. And from every Wednesday, I'm going to continue this tutorial series, and Saturday is going to be some random sort of video. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. So, first of all, I'm going to create a new project. Let's name this plugin project. After creating the project, just wait a 50 years more and you're done. Okay, so as a beginner project, I'm going to cover everything more precisely. So first of all, this is the plugin manager in which you include all those awesome plugins. So let's get started. For instance, I'm gonna tell you that I'm believing that you already know that how to create how to do JavaScript for doing not wasting time explaining that what's the syntax of JavaScript, and let's get into it. So first of all, let's open our project. I'm going to use an IDE named Brackets, which is actually something nice to do with JavaScript. So let's pick our JS folder and drag and drop it into this whatever it's called. And here, okay, I don't know if that's, yeah, here's our plugin thing. You can open any sort of JS file if you just want to explore things. If you double click, there will be some working file, and here let's start creating our own plugin. So we're gonna right click, new file, name it, let's say my plugin.js. After creating it, just press return and your plugin is ready. So first of all, let's include some details for the plugin. You create like a comment, like if you all know that comment is made like this, but instead of making a normal comment, we'll make an abnormal one. Okay, I'm not joking right now. Yeah, we'll create many stars and then end this. So first of all, what you need in your plugin is at plugin desk, meaning the plugin description. You write the description. I'm writing this is the description. And then you're gonna write in the author your name. So I'll write your name. And then what I'm gonna need at the last for a basic plugin is at help. This is the help command. And you're done creating your first plugin. So now just go to the project, go plugins, and then name of the plugin, which is right now my plugin. In my plugin, you write this is the help command, author, your name, this is the description. Cool. Now you might ask that, can you create break lines or everything is gonna go on just one line? Actually, if you create very long and stuff, this is long, then it'll be automatically going in the next line. But for suppose if you don't want that and just want to go to the next line, okay, I'm not coming with it yet, then what you're gonna do is create another star after the help for suppose and written the break line, and we created the break line. So cool. Here's our plugins break line. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is, you're not gonna create a clear plugin in which nothing actually happens. So what we'll do is create a function. So brackets function. Then what I'm gonna do is create another brackets. Then like that. Okay, I created something wrong. Yeah, I did. This should be this bracket like that. Whatever. Huh. Okay, so cool. Looks like we've created our own function. Now the question is, what are you gonna do with this function? And here's the answer. What you're gonna do is override any function you want. Yeah, for example, I have to do anything in RPG object. You might think that just go to the JF file and delete what you want to. But in this RPG Maker MV, what the dev have came with is you're not supposed to delete any function, because suppose I just deleted this and then I forgot that I deleted this. There are many errors and you're going into the community and all stuff. So this is not anything you're gonna do. Instead, we are gonna override the function. Overriding, as you know in JS, just means that here's my function and then I'll overwrite the function. I don't know what's called override in programming. Okay, now first let me show you an example. So what I'm gonna come with some example. Yeah, RPG Windows, not RPG object. Open the RPG Windows, Command F to find, which is actually same in any text editor. And then you're gonna write window underscore options dot prototype dot, okay, it's wait, the function was make command list. So first of all, let's see what this function does. It calls two more function, which is this dot add general options and add volume option. So the general option is that it'll add the option to always dash and to all, and if you want to remember command in the RMMV battle, and in the add volume option you have BGM volume, BGS volume, ME volume, SC volume. Now for suppose I don't like this general option, I don't want the player to keep dashing always. After all, what's the shift key is meant for? I'll go to my plugins, I'll go here. I like it that way, so I'm pressing tab to make it this way. And what I'm going to do is, I could have deleted it here, but I don't like that, so I'm gonna comment this by /, which you might already have known in JS that I've commented comment. So this is not called by the function anymore. So now let's save it. Okay, so what I just noticed is I did something wrong, which is that I shouldn't have done like this. I should make another open close front seat, and here it's gonna go like that. Okay, what's that? I didn't make that, right? So make it like, okay, that's not for this program. Okay, I'm going with a lot of errors. So here's function, open close front seat, and then this bracket thing, and then close this, and then another open and semicolon. So now if we go and Command R or Control R in whichever OS you are. Then powered by MV. Yeah, I had that then. And here's Jeff created for plugin, and there's no more any that silly function. Yeah. Now you can close, and we're done with our first plugin tutorial. Congo. Okay, so if you don't like the video, don't forget to dislike, as in the first video I said points of improvements.